I'm still stuck. Spoiler alert. But anyways, I'm coming out to kind of assess what's going on after they were able to clear the roads last night. Basically what happened is they finally came through, and they came through with a snowplow. And the snowplow got stuck. So then they brought in more snowplows to help the snowplow get unstuck. But from there on, they had to bring in the bulldozers. So they did a good job. I wanted to show you the road. You can tell the road has been cleared, which is really nice to see. So, okay, that's the good news. The bad news is my car is right there. Okay, there's my car. So that fun little berm of snow and ice, I call it snow concrete because honestly that's kind of what it feels like, but that is what is between me and getting into the roads. So if you have any suggestions, I will take them all right now. It is me and my shovel against the world. Say a prayer, drop me a comment. Bye.